Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Technical Fast YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss how to create USA UK TikTok account in Pakistan or India 100 real method 2024. Most of the people want to create USA UK TikTok account but they don't know how to create. In this video, I will show you a complete method to create a fully monetizable TikTok account. Now watch this video carefully to create your USA or UK TikTok account. First, open Play Store on your mobile. Install Super VPN. Choose region or country, USA or UK. Now connect VPN. Now open Chrome browser. Now create a new Microsoft account. Create account second number. Choose a strong password. Choose country UK or USA. Enter your date of birth. Our account is ready now. Now open a new tab. Search for TikTok web. Click on login. Click on sign up. Click on use phone or email. Here enter your birthday, provide required info. Now provide your email address. Click on next. Create a strong password. Enter the pin sent to your email address. Enter the pin. Create a username. So your TikTok account is ready now. Now you will see only USA or UK content on your TikTok account. Now log into this account on the TikTok app. Open TikTok app. Log in using your email password. Account logged in. Check creator tools. You can see that all monetization options are available on this TikTok account. You can monetize this TikTok account after completing eligibility criteria.